Hi there, parents and students. My name is Scott Drake. I am one of two driver ed teachers this year at Forson High School. I take care of all of the classroom teaching that happens for driver ed, except for the first couple days, which Mr. Jenkins took care of, Terry Jenkins. He's the other driver ed teacher. He takes care of all of the behind the wheel hours with your students. He was your classroom teacher or for the students for the first couple days as we had our in-service days as certified staff, so he did the first 8 hours of the class, and then I took over from that point moving forward, and that's how we'll kind of run things this year. The students need 30 hours in the classroom, so as our current schedule sits, we will run until the end of October. I believe October 28th is our last day. If all of our students are in IH for 30 minutes each day, and then I have the 29th listed as a makeup day in case we miss something or I'm gone or something like that. I have set this up so that we don't have to come in on any like a Labor Day or a Columbus Day or early outs or Saturdays or anything like that. I told all the students, and so that schedule is posted on Google Classroom. So make sure your students invite you to that if necessary. I told all the students that schedule can change at any time. But we're going to do our best to get it done during school hours. The driving schedule may change at any time with Mr. Jenkins. He's going to be pulling students out of some different classes, mostly PE at school to get their 6 hours of driving in. But that schedule can change at any time. Mr. Jenkins is retired and drives up from Polo each time that he is going to drive students. So there may be a day where he can't make it up, or there might be a day where he comes and it's a little bit unexpected, but that's fantastic because then our students are going to get their 6 hours of behind the wheel time with a certified instructor. This is my first year teaching driver ed. I just finished up the courses to get my certification / endorsement. I finished that up in May and then took one more driver ed course over the summer. So this is my first year teaching it. So I appreciate your patience in advance. I am learning the ropes of how to implement everything that I learned over the past year into my first course as a driver ed teacher. So far, we have a fantastic group of mostly sophomores in this first session. As you are aware as a parent or guardian, we just handed out permits to our students. They are okay to drive, even though they haven't started driving with Mr. Jenkins. I just ask that they start small and work towards the bigger drives since they don't have that behind the wheel experience yet with an instructor. And obviously you guys are their coach in there as well. I apologize in advance if there are ways that you teach as guardians and parents and a difference between the way that myself or Mr. Jenkins teaches. But obviously we're all sending the same message, and that's for our student drivers to be defensive drivers and safe drivers, no matter what. That's our main goal, is to be safe drivers. So if you have any other further questions, please do not hesitate to email me. It's sdrake@fvdistrict221.org, or call the school and I will return your call at the earliest point. Their number is 815-938-2175. I'm so excited to be the driver ed instructor, one of two driver ed instructors. I'm super passionate about it. I hope that I can help your son or daughter become the most safe and defensive driver out there. And just hopefully they remember all the tips and tricks on how to drive for the rest of time. So thank you, and having a great rest of your evening.